Car accident lawyers, how do they help you after you've been injured in a car accident? Well, car accident lawyer is going to go through and make sure that you recover damages as best they can. Money will not always fix all the problems. If your back is sore, you're going to have that sore back and you're going to wish that, I don't want any money, just make my back not sore. That really hurt people often find themselves in that position. But if you're hurt, you want to make sure you get the best representation you can. You want to make sure that your lawyer is going after both specific and general damages, meaning all your out-of-pocket expenses are covered, medications, treatments, and the like. You also want to make sure that you're reimbursed for your pain and suffering. Different levels of pain and suffering merit different amounts under the system in Canada in terms of the common law. So how much you get is going to be directly related to how badly you're hurt. We'll also look at things like loss of income, and if you have any housekeeping, you have to pay someone else to do laundry and maintain your home. There's a number of different things, and when you get a call from the insurance company, they're not likely to tell you what all your options are. Their role, especially if it's on the other side, is to keep their costs down, which means paying you less. Having a car accident lawyer represent you means you have someone in your court making sure that you get what you're entitled to when you're injured and it wasn't your fault. That's another Kahane Law Legal Minute. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget, like our video, share our video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get the updates whenever we post new ones. Thank you. Bye.